What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Happy Sunday, happy fun day, happy rest day, happy whatever it is you want to make it. Just make sure you get it out of the way because we got an exciting week coming up upon us in the market. We got the Super Bowl week in the trading coming up on us. We got some heavy hitters reporting, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be a amazing week. If Wall Street rocking with any of these guys that's reporting their financials, man, it's gonna be a massive week. You can make money. It's opportunities for you newbies, beginners, you advanced traders, you big baller shot callers. It's out there for everybody to get busy in. If that wasn't enough to get you excited, we got Fed Powell in the building on Wednesday. We know what he can do with the market. I'm telling you, this is going to be a fun-filled week. Y'all sit tight, lock in, tap in. But before we jump into all that, y'all do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's get it. We're going to go ahead and kick this one right here off by showing some love to the family. This one comes from Shell. Said D Fresh made 500 on Hood yesterday, focusing on 10% profit and ending the day early in order to focus on physical therapy and appointments after a car accident. Thank you for the levels and never ending support. First of all, I want to say thank the Lord for allowing you to make it through that car accident. Secondly, I pray and hope that he bless you with a fast and speedy recovery. That way you get back to your day-to-day activities. The last but not least, champagne bottles in the air for you. I'm glad that you was able to profit it off that Hood play and make some money. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding, keep doing the doggone thing. All right, let's go ahead and throw that earnings calendar up. If you take a look at this chart, man, tell me what's not to be excited on here. You got newbie beginner plays on here. You got that Sofi. They reporting Tuesday. You got ENPH. That's another one that we used to dominate in. They report Tuesday at closing. You have the big boys reporting. You got Meta. You got Microsoft. You got Google, Alphabet. You have Starbucks. That's another good one. And if you roll over to Thursday, you got Roblox. You have Amazon. You have Apple. You have Exxon Mobile on Friday. And don't forget about the one that we missed early in the week. You got UNH, UnitedHealth Group. They report Tuesday before the bell. This is a week that everybody should be able to dominate and make some money on. We're going to identify a few of these tickers that can move the meter in this video. And again, if you don't hear any of your tickers that get called out in this video, make sure you over there in the Discord, because if you don't get it here, you already know we breaking it down over there throughout the session. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol SOFI. Let's go. They are sitting at 29.05. They report Tuesday at opening. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get back to these tops right here at 29.40. If they can do that right there, they're going to shoot their shot right back to these highs at 29.90 before they start busting out through the higher stuff. To the downside, you want to see them open, Lord, in this 28.60 area. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be to 28 even, consolidating right there. They're going to shoot their shot all the way back down to 26.95. We got another consolidation area in here, consolidating under this target right here at 26.60. Check this drop. Boom. They're going to run this thing back down to 25.10 before the bulls get another chance to try to rebound and rock it back up. Family, these are earnings plays that I'm putting out right now. Understand the assignment in here. We've seen a few of those plays. A few people held on after earnings and got smoked. We don't hold these plays after earnings. We don't know what the other side looks like. You take that run up, the pre-run up in these plays, or you take the run down. Whichever direction the market takes us, we'll be following that path down to the downside or to the upside. But we get out of these plays if you plan options before they report. If you holding on to shares, that's a different story. You don't take a loss until you sell. These plays will boom back up if they have a bad earnings, but options traders, you are not holding through earnings. You getting out before. Know when they report, know when you need to get up out of there. Have a target in your mind where you want to hit to once it hit that target. And if you're in the Discord, I'm letting you know where them bears is at before they start smacking them down. Or if you riding the downside, I'm letting you know where the bulls is at. I'm giving you take profit zones. That way you can respect and be able to preserve some money and leave the runners in to follow the unknown path, whether they going to the up or down. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol ENPH. And family, y'all know about this one. If you in the Discord, we used to kill this play. Now they're reporting again. They are sitting at 36.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them recover this 36.75 level. They can do that right there. You got some bumps in the road right here, 36.95. Then they got that run up to 37.30, and then boom, we come into 36.65. You got another run up at 38.10. Turbulence right here to 38.45. Consolidating above, you got this run up right here to 39.35 in play. Again, if they showing strength and they trying to run this thing up for this earnings run up, this is another nice break. This will be a decision maker break. If they hold above, consolidating right here at 39.40, check this out. Boom, you got 40.55 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open up somewhere around 35.60. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be to 35.10, and then boom, you got 34.30 in play. Advanced traders, y'all come on up to the table. First one for you guys is going to be ticker symbol XOM, Exxon Mobile. And this one, they're sitting at 115.40. They report Friday at closing. If you are a bull in this one's going to be choppy. So you kind of want to see them open somewhere around this 116.60 area. If they can do that, then they can start slowly moving this up. You got 116.95 in play. Then boom, you got 117.15. Another bear free run up after that to about 117.50, and then you get the bear start trying to manipulate this and bring it back down. If they're running strong, you want to see the break at 117.85 before they try to boom this thing again to the higher stuff. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 115.20. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be 114.60. Losing that, you got boom, 113.75. Then it started getting tricky. You got a level at 113.10 and then a heavy level we're going to call from about 112.70 to about 112.35, a bullish demand zone where the bulls need to respond and most likely will respond if we get that down push back to trying to boom it back to the upside. There you go. And this one right here, next ticker up is going to be RBLX. And this one right here, they are sitting at 127.70. If you are a bull in here, you want to see them open somewhere around this 130.65 level. If they can do that right there, next level up is going to be 132.50, and then boom, you got 134.80 in play, and they can really start taking it off, breaking through that area right there. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 125.60. If they can do that and start consolidating up under, they can shoot their shot all the way back down to this 116.65 level before we have any sight of the bulls. But trust me, if they get it back down to this level, if you inputs, make sure you skimming out of those, take your profit, because this will be a heavy level. I'm sure the bulls is going to go crazy and try to boom this thing back up to the upside. There you go in that one. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol META. And this one right here, they're sitting at 738.50. You are a bull in this one. You want to see them open higher than 741.20. They can do that. Next push up is going to be to 744.30 before they start trying to run this thing much higher. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 734.20. If they can do that right there, you got turbulence to about 131.65, consolidating up under. This is what you got. 725.20 in play. They lose that level right there. They can keep pushing this thing down. You got 718.10, heavy level down here at 710.90 before they try to boom this thing back up to the upside. They report Wednesday at closing. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol UNH. This is going to be a big one right here, especially we get the right direction and they booming this thing. We know UNH got some punching power and they can really go. To the upside, you want to see them open higher than 365.60. If they can do that right there, check this run. Boom! You got 371.40 in play. They report Tuesday at the bell. Consolidation at 374.10 and check this run. Boom! You got 379.80 in play. To the downside, what you want to see is them open somewhere lower than this 359.40 area. If they can do that, they can slowly start trying to boom this thing back down. You got 357.40. Next level down is going to be 355.90. And then boom, you got 354.40 in play. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol AAPL. All eyes will be on this one as well. And Apple, they are sitting at 262.80. If you are a bull, you want to see them go ahead and open above 265.30 before they start trying to make their next leg up to the bigger stuff. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 258.75. If they can do that right there, next level down is going to be 255.50. Then you got boom, 253.45. This is a turbulence area. This is an area where it's going to be an indecision. They're going to be sitting there trying to make their decision. This will be the decision-making level at 251.20. Consolidating under, boom, you got 247 in place. Before we get out of here, we're going to go ahead and throw the SPY on there because I know this is one that we follow regardless what the market is doing. They're sitting at 677.10. If you are a bull, simple, you want to see them open higher than 678.50. And if they can do that right there, it puts 679 on the table, 680. But family, I am not interested in this because we know what Wall Street like to do when plays are in those all-time highs. The pullback is always dramatic. I don't want nothing to do with this right here. If you are playing this, just make sure you raising those stops up. That way you get captured out in profit. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this stuff over here, 675.80. If they can do that, they're going to shoot their shot right back down to this 672.80 area. Next level down is going to be 671.20. And then we start chopping and they can bring this thing back. You got 678.90 and route back down to 666.05. So there you go. And this one right here, family, those are a few different tickers as well as levels to help you through this upcoming crazy week. We back at it tomorrow morning. Again, if you didn't see your tickers get called out in this one, make sure you tapping in with us in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as these top plays that we break down throughout the session. I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there and let's get it.